Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the Lion King Simba drawing, essentially. The Lion King Simba drawing. It's drawing the Rafiki draws and kind of like this prophecy type thing. It's very famous and it's amazing. So today we're going to go over that. It's going to be super easy for beginners, and this is actually should be one of the quickest Lion King ones that I do. So I really hope you enjoy it. If you do like learning how to draw new things every day, or in general, please click that like button. Click that like button. Click that subscribe button, and then click the little notification. I'm gonna be posting videos every weekday, roughly about 2 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. Thank you so much. Like I said, if you're a beginner, this is the place to be. Everything I do is easy. So, and it's going to be all iconic and cool things that you know. It's going to be cartoony, so I'm going to be using this marker. You can use any marker you like. You can use a Sharpie if you want. Sharpies are very bad for your breathing, though, supposedly, your brain, if you inhale them. So if you do use a Sharpie, please do it in a ventilated area. Sharpies are like 50 cents, so they're cheap. This is a Faber-Castell PITT Artist Pen. I use it because it doesn't have a smell at all, and it lasts way longer, although it is more expensive. It is like $7 US, as opposed to the Sharpie being, what, 25 cents, something like that. So it's really up to you. But I will put this in the description if you do want to go get it. So let's get going on to this drawing, and let's get started. It's going to be really simple. So I'm going to start with a C shape, kind of rounded C. Excuse me. Rounded C shape. Pulling that line across, the top line. Another kind of almost like the same shape but on the other side, backwards. Pulling down. Pulling off. That's gonna be the lion's back, that'll be Simba's back. The tail. It's gonna go a little bit past the ear over here on this side. Keep everything pretty flat too. It's probably best for that to keep it flat. It's gonna be tail, right? So only gonna be that thickness. Draw it as even as you can. Now I'm gonna go start continuing this side. Pull down. It's kind of mirroring that little shape on that side. Now we're going to start with the eye. We're going to pull in. In. Down. Down. Right here, we're going to draw a cross here, and that's going to represent the nose shape of the lion. Of Simba. Well, you know, the Simba drawing, right? This is the symbol that, like, again, Rafiki painted on the wall. We're going to pull it out. It's just the paw. Pulling in here. Another similar shape, the paw. Pulling in. And now we're going to go over here with the hind leg. Pull in right here. And that is going to have its own foot shape, which we're going to connect to that. Alrighty, and that's pretty much the shape. The other thing we're going to do is I'm going to actually... one thing I want to add is I'm going to add a little line right here for maybe the bottom of the lion head. I just think it looks better, in my opinion. It looks a little like smiley. It's connected here. Just a little bit there. And then I'm going to go through it and give the entire outline a kind of thicker feel to it. So I think it kind of has a kind of a nice aesthetic. It's a little bit different when you draw this shape in marker, like especially if it was like a dirt drawing. And that's pretty much it. That's that extremely simple symbol that Rafiki drew, the Simba Lion King. It's also very famous, so thank you guys. I really do appreciate you watching this video. If you did like it, press that like button. I appreciate you watching it this long. I hope you followed along. If you didn't, rewind it, follow along, it's awesome. And that's it. If you want to help the channel out, please, I encourage you to share the video anywhere, Facebook, Twitter, anywhere, Tumblr. Anytime you do that, it helps me immensely. I get by with your support, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. This is where I draw the line. One last thing I forgot about. There's a free How to Draw Cute ebook. Cuteness has to do with 90% of it being proportion. That is 90% of drawing something adorable and cute. And I talk about exactly how to do that in a 10-page ebook that's completely free. And that is in the first link in the description. So if you are interested in that, go check that out. Like I said, this is where I draw the line. We'll see you tomorrow.